Did you know that optimal health doesn't just randomly fall into your lap? I know it sounds crazy because we're used to hearing about taking medications, following fad diets, trying supplements. And while those can be important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that will revolutionize the way you take control of your digestive health, your energy levels, and your confidence. So I'm Dr. Krista. I'm a naturopathic doctor who has been through my own gut health struggles as well. I struggled with bloating, abdominal pain, digestive issues for years before discovering the actual root cause and transforming my health. So when I finally did, I was able to feel like myself again, eat what I wanted to eat, have all day energy. I also went from being so bloated that I looked and felt pregnant to eventually actually getting pregnant. So now that I have control over my health, I can give my all to my 1-year-old son, to my husband, Dr. Adam. So what's the big idea here? The big idea is that you have control over your gut health and your overall well-being. It's not random and it's not out of your hands. You have the power to take control. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about how our gut relief solution can help you do just that. And I know what you're probably thinking, but I've tried so many things already and nothing has worked. Supplements, medications, diets, fasting. But first of all, the truth is that you might be missing some key pieces to the puzzle. And second, you may have tried these things in bits and pieces before, but never all together in one comprehensive and integrated system. That's where the magic happens. Okay, so the first secret is this. The reason why you haven't been able to heal is that you don't know your gut type. Is it inflamed, sensitive, or sluggish? Understanding your specific gut type is the key to addressing the root cause of your digestive problems. This means that not all gut problems are the same. Treating all gut issues the same way leads to mediocre results, if any, but figuring out your gut type opens the door to targeted and personalized healing. And this is important because most approaches are too generic. And when you finally know your gut type, you've taken the first step towards real healing. The second secret is that your gut will never heal unless you address the 3 types of stress. So what I'm talking about are physical stress, chemical stress, and emotional stress. These stressors keep your body in a constant state of distress. And we all have stress, but the way it shows up in everyone's life is unique. The key here is that stress has a very real effect on the body, and it sabotages your gut health, even if you're eating well or following the right protocols. Most women don't realize that stress comes in these many different forms and that it deeply affects your gut. The third secret is our system for healing. The 3-step system called the Gut Relief Solution. The 3 steps are release, restore, and reinforce. After we determine your gut type, of course, we're going to release all 3 types of stress from your body that are showing up in your life. Next, we restore the damaged and dysfunctional tissues in the liver, the gut, to repair any damaged organs and to restore normal function. And finally, we help your body find a new long-term baseline of health and energy by reinforcing your health habits and mind-body as a whole. It's the ultimate solution to heal your gut, boost confidence in yourself, give you all-day energy, and perhaps most importantly, maintain that improvement long-term. So the big shift here is that healing your gut requires a structured step-by-step system. There is no single magic pill or one-size-fits-all solution, but this system pulls everything together. Your gut type, your stressors, and the process to ensure sustained health. And it will work most effectively when we individualize each of these elements to your specific symptoms and your unique situation. Now remember, if you're still wondering how this is different from the many things you may have tried before, the tricky thing is that while you've tried things here and there, you've likely never done them all together in an integrated system. So what makes this special is that it's not just about fixing one piece of the puzzle, it's a complete interconnected system where every piece is used at the same time in the right way and in the right order with the support of a doctor and coach. So the first step is to do a deep dive, a 1-hour private consultation called the Gut Type Evaluation. So in this session together, we will uncover the root causes of your digestive issues that may have been holding you back and really create for you an individualized, natural plan to eliminate bloating, stomach trouble, fatigue for good. I also have 2 bonuses for you. So bonus number 1 is the gut type assessment. So this is a targeted questionnaire that will help us identify whether your gut is inflamed, sensitive, or sluggish. And this is a game changer as it gives you personalized insights right from the start. Bonus number 2 is a free copy of my ebook, Your Time to Thrive, packed with actionable tips to take your health and well-being to the next level. So these bonuses are included for free when you book your consultation with me. What all this will do for you is get you on the best path to finally eliminate your bloating, give you more energy, help you feel confident and at ease eating again. And I, as a doctor and a coach who has spent years helping similar women after struggling with the same stuff myself, am here to give you expert feedback and get you started with truly fixing your health so that you can finally heal your gut and enjoy life without constant discomfort and worry. All we need to do is sit down together to take a deep dive into your health picture. So click the link to book your gut type evaluation with me today to start on your path to better gut health once and for all. Now, I don't know how much longer we'll keep this offer available. The price may go up because, as you know, functional medicine is in such high demand these days. So just don't wait, okay? Click the link now to book your consult while it's still available and take the first step toward feeling normal in your body again. We're always here to help, and I can't even start to tell you about all the amazing results we've created with women just like you who have been struggling with digestive issues and fatigue. So I can't wait to see you on the inside.